Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affair of 14 July. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Which Indian site recently added to UNESCO World Heritage Site? Recently, Forts of Maharashtra has been added to the Indian site of UNESCO. It is the 44th site and it is included in the cultural category. There are 36 category under culture. There are 36 sites under the cultural category. So, if we talk about total UNESCO site, there are now 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, culture is 36, natural is 7 and 1 is mixed. If we talk about the previous site added to the UNESCO list, that is 43, that is Charideo Moidams from Assams. Clear? So, if we talk about UNESCO, UNESCO established on 1945, its president is Audrey Azoulay. Next question. Pan Painter Award recently awarded to Leila Abulela from Sudan. She is now in Scotland. So if we talk about Pan Painter Prize, it is awarded from the year 2009. It is awarded in English language, and it is awarded by English Pan Foundation. So the person who lives in Britain awarded this award, and last year award 2024 goes to Arundhati Roy. On 2025 award goes to Leila Abulela. Next question. 87th Grandmaster of India now become Harikrishnan A from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. 87th Grandmaster of India, Harikrishnan A from Tamil Nadu. Arunachal Frontier Highway has been approved to pass through Namdapha Tiger. If we talk of Namdapha Tiger Reserve is from Arunachal Pradesh. So the discussion take place to pass the highway from this tiger reserve, Namdapha Tiger Reserve. So if this project is approved, it will be named as National Highway 913. E-Truck Incentive Scheme under the program of PM E-Drive. PM E-Drive is launched in 29 September 2024, and its main aim is to provide incentive for electric truck. For T20 World Cup 2026 has qualified Italy and Netherlands. So Italy and Netherlands has been qualified for the T20 World Cup 2026. If we talk about T20 World Cup 2026 will be placed in Sri Lanka and India. T20 World Cup will be placed in Sri Lanka and India. Accelerate protein research BioImmu AI developed by Microsoft for the study of proteins. So if we talk about Microsoft established on 1975. It's by founder Bill Gates and Paul Allen. It's headquartered in Washington DC, USA. Next question. UN Population Award goes to Varsha Deshpande for the women empowerment and gender equality and selective abortion. Work on women empowerment, gender equality and selective abortion. So UN Population Award goes to Varsha Deshpande. It's an important award. Next question. Harela festival has been celebrated in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Harela festival is a Sawan specific festival. Trade Federation Conference has been organized in New Delhi. Now we will talk about the questions. At WWE Evolution 2025 on July 13, who won the Women's World Championship? So the correct answer is Naomi. Naomi has won the Women's World Championship at WWE. Next question. It's an important question. Which Indian astronaut was said to return to Earth on July 14 aboard Axiom 4? Axiom 4 से कौन आने वाले हैं? So that is Shubhanshu Shukla. What is the estimated GDP of the expanded BRICS group in 2025? Estimated GDP that is 28.5 trillion. Question is to you guys is India's first World Heritage Site to be included in UNESCO. Which is the first Indian site to be included in UNESCO? Tell me in the comment section. And if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.